For the two lollipops, I'm going to do first the head of them. So you're going to need two spheres like this. They are made of styrofoam. And to decorate them, you can use whatever you have, you know, like small plastic eggs or even M&Ms. If they are colorful, it's good. It's always a good idea. So I'm gluing them down on the sphere like this with a bit of a inclination. Then you're going to take a skewer like this and you're going to place it where you have a bit of a free space. Afterwards I decided that the skewer looked a bit too thin for the head of the lollipop. So I took a straight straw, but unfortunately it's red. I didn't want it to stand out more than the lollipop, so I painted it white. I waited to dry and I put it directly on the skewer. Then I took the flower pot and the flower and I put in the middle of it the lollipop. Then I took a small section from the ribbon and I tied it on the straw, and this is the last step. It looks like this. Then for the Easter bunny napkins, this is quite easy, it's going to be quite fast. You are going to need two types of napkins, two colors. Fold first the white one on the length in half and then the ends like this. Then take the pink one and fold the ends inwards about 1 centimeter, and then do exactly the same as you did with the white one. Then place the napkin on top of the white one, and as you can see it's about 1 centimeter shorter. Fold the wings on the length like this, so inwards, and then lastly you need to fold the whole thing one more time in half. And here we go, we have a bunny. To finish the decoration you need to take a small ribbon section. I have the same one. Then tie it at the middle of the napkin, and then you only need to place your egg inside. This is a really cute idea to give someone the Easter egg, so I took a glass of wine like this and I placed the bunny inside. This is just another great idea for the table decoration. Quite easy, fast, and it looks amazing. Okay, so now we are about to do Easter flower pot decorations. I've already made one of them, you can see it right now. It's a bunny, a pink one. And to win a bit of time, I've already made a pattern out of it, so I'll just need to cut out the shapes. I also have another type of this flower pot decorations. It's made out of wooden spoons. So I'll start with this one because I need to paint it white and then wait to dry. Meanwhile though, I'm going to do the bunny on the skewer. So let's do just that. I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting out those 3 shapes. They are the ears, the head and the body, of course. When you're cutting out the ears, you need to leave a border all around about 2 millimeters thick. After you've done all that, you need to attach the ears to the head. You are going to need a hot glue gun like this. So I've just realized the ears weren't looking exactly like the ones from the pink bunny, so I adjusted that. This is just a black permanent marker, by the way. Next we need the eyes. I bought different sizes, those ones are the biggest I have. Then draw on the nose and the mouth with the same pen. Then for the body, you are going to need to fold the paper like this in an accordion shape. Each folding measures about 1 centimeter or maybe 1.5 centimeters thickness. But don't struggle to do it with the skewer because it's going to take too much time, and it's just easier and faster to do it with small scissors. When you're ready with that, you need to do the small holes in the middle. Then just put the skewer through the holes starting at the top. When you finish with that, you only need to glue down the skewer to the head. And then lastly, make a nice bow out of ribbon and you are done. Okay, but we still need to do the last decoration for the flower pot, and the wooden spoon is dry, so it's ready to roll. First you need to cut the ears out of white thick paper, then the interior of the ears you need to cut it from pink paper, and they are going to be smaller. I'll show you in a second and you'll understand what I mean. So this is how the nose is looking. And now I'm going to attach the interiors to the actual ears, and then I'm going to glue them down to the head. The eyes come next, so just place them where you think they should be and then glue them down. Then the nose comes somewhere in the middle, and then the mouth, you need to draw it on with the pen. Then draw on some dots the other whiskers, and then lastly tie a ribbon around the neck and you are finished.